her down by the river all through the night, watching the stars and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. You wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by cars, it's such a sight, watching all the lovers fall into the night.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's such a rainy day today. Well, it's not rainy, it's snowing now, so that's annoying. I thought I would just update you guys on some things. It is Wednesday. I have to go to work in a little bit, but we have to go sign some papers because my boyfriend sold one of his hunting properties, and she needs the papers. So we have to go meet her, and then I'm gonna go to work. This is the first day back that I'm going to work since my client has had COVID. He's been no symptoms, no fever for like the last 6 days. Today is day 7, so I'm gonna go to work today, and I'm just happy to be back because I'm literally going on 2 weeks without no paycheck. Like this day that I'm starting, I won't get paid this week, and then next week I won't get paid. It's been really stressful having to really save my money. Yeah, it's been really hard. Like, I wish I prepared for this more. It makes me feel really sad because I just got back from vacation, and it's like every time I have something good that happens, something really bad happens right away. So it's like I can't even have time to enjoy myself or anything. That's what it feels like. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I had my hair in braids yesterday, so my hair is just like very curly, frumpy. I don't know, but I'm really liking this hairstyle again. I had to buy a new moisturizer because I left mine at when I got back. So there's that. I still have this pimple that I want to pop it, but I'm trying not to because I've been peeling it every single day. It's not like those pimples that you pop. It's like the ones that you can peel and it looks fine that day, and then the next day it looks really horrible. Next, car update. I'm not excited. I'm not happy about it. We're still looking for a car. Every time I go to message the dealership, a dealership, or like someone who is selling a car that I want to look at, we schedule a time when we can come, and then like 24 hours later they tell me that it's sold. So I'm having the worst luck finding a car, and it's been rough living with one car. It's a luxury, definitely, having your own car. It is a huge luxury, and I've been very fortunate ever since I went to college that I've had my own car and not having to rely on people. But now that I'm having to rely on someone to take me to work, it's been really rough and hard because I gotta go by his schedule, and it's just, we're clashing, you know? And because my work schedule is so random, it's hard to keep up with it. And that's kind of why I have not been able to upload any videos this last week. As you're watching this, like, I only had one video uploaded, which was my Universal Studios bag. Yeah, I haven't been able to drive into town to sit at a coffee shop and upload videos, but I do have these videos waiting to go up. I have 2 videos now ready, and then this vlog is going to be a 3rd video. So as soon as I can find time to go get dropped off in town for a few hours, I'm gonna go get these uploaded. So that's the issue, on top of everything. And gas prices being so high. It was at $4.20, $4.21 like the last 2 weeks, and it's coming down right now. Today it is $3.78, so I hope it will go back down to like $2.90. Obviously it probably will never go back down to that, but if it can go back down to like $3, I'd be fine with it. But yeah, that's why I haven't uploaded anything. I did a little update on my community tab. Hopefully you guys checked it out. I know some of you guys did, and I really appreciate the feedback. Really hard trying to save money and not go into town to do stuff, because that's literally like how things work where I live. I live in such a small town. Like, the only thing to do is to go into town and like shop when you need to get groceries, get coffee, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go pack my book because we have a pretty long drive. And then I'm gonna go to work, and I will probably, hopefully, catch up with you guys later today. We'll see. Right now, I am reading Crescent City, and I just need to get to page 200. So that's the goal for today after I get out of work. Okay, guys, so hi, messy room. I'm gonna show you my leggings that I just got in the mail. I placed another order at Lulu. Are we surprised? No, we're not. This is gonna be like the last. Oh my gosh. So I just had to give Leo a bath, and I am soaking wet because he got into some nasty stuff outside, stinky. So don't mind that. So I wanted to show you the leggings that I just got in the mail. It was one of 2 packages. Don't know where the other package is. It's still in the mail. But these are the flare leggings, aka yoga pants. These were so popular in middle school and high school for me, and I really love them. I should have got a size smaller. I went with my usual size, which is 6, but literally these go all the way up to my rib cage. Like, look at that. So I've been folding them over at my hips. So, and I'm not gonna take them back because I just can't be bothered with that. So I just have them rolled up. I don't know if you can tell. So there's that. I definitely want to size down to a size 4 next time. Next time I go to the store and they have any in store, I'm definitely going to pick up one, but it's very showy. So these are the leggings, and I really like them. They feel really great, but I thought they would be more suction cup like the Luon Extreme material. They're not. They're more of the Align material, which makes it not really suck anything in. So if you have cellulite or anything, it's definitely going to show and not help your shape at all. So I don't know how comfortable I feel around wearing these out in public, but definitely gonna wear these around the house, obviously. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys because my first package came in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a day in my life. It is Monday, April 11th, and I'm not really doing much today. I already went to work this morning, and then I fell back asleep until 1 o'clock. Then we went to the store to get some things for my boyfriend. He had to get for his garage. We got like a storage unit shelf thing that he has been wanting for so long, and we finally got one. So now it is, what time is it? 4:38. I just did the dishes, and I think I'm gonna first clean up our bedroom. I have a ton of clothes I need to put away, but I really don't want to do them today. Do you guys have that problem? Like, every time you do laundry, you just put it off because it's just so much. And I keep doing that. Like, I will do 3 loads of laundry at once instead of doing 1 at a time. So now I have like 3 baskets full of clothes that I need to take care of, which is stressing me out because I don't want to do it. But I gotta do it sometime. I will probably do it later tonight. So yeah, I am just feeling weird. I don't know. Yesterday on Sunday we had the visitation for my friend that passed away, and we went to that, and it was really sad. So I like met her parents and all that. Today was her funeral. My friend went to it, so I couldn't go because I had to work. But yeah, I'm just feeling very weird today. Last night we had a huge thunderstorm. Like, it felt like lightning struck our house because it was so loud and so strong. I felt like our house shaking. I don't know. It was really insane. So, but like nothing happened outside. Everything's perfectly fine, thank goodness. And yeah, we're all safe. So I'm gonna go to the bedroom and make my bed. Let's go do that. Okay, bed is made. That is good enough for now. I literally don't care. Okay, so these are my 2 baskets of dirty clothes. Yay, so fun. Not excited to do that. Just going to pick up random things, like we got shoes all over the floor. Receipts that can be thrown away. Stuff like that. I don't know why we have wasps like in our house. Maybe they're coming from the attic or something. But we just got new windows, so I'm really confused. Now I gotta kill it. Oh my god. I can't believe you just saw that. Okay. Wasp. The wasp is dead. Okay, now I'm gonna take all of our drinks down. We go to Westco like too many times, like once a day. And the addiction is real. Okay, so it is now 11:50 p.m. I have to work at 7 a.m. in the morning, so I don't know what I'm doing. But I just made dinner. We had feta pasta with chicken, and I put too many spices in it because now I have acid reflux and it burns my throat so bad. So I'm just taking some Tums and I should be good to go. I filmed 2 videos yesterday. Those will be going up next week. So I really need to get on that and start editing them. This video is supposed to go up tomorrow on Tuesday. I don't know if it's gonna make it. If it makes it, wow, I'm good. I do have an early work day tomorrow, so I should be able to get everything edited. But honestly, this is a very boring vlog. Right now, before I start editing this vlog, I'm in and I'm just getting my stuff out so I can edit this video.